front of me is INFINIX Zero and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same one again. If you want to, you can also access settings. Scroll down to access location section and click on this switcher next to it to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!